welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you will not miss a video of Mickey Face. As you guys can see down below, my boyfriend will be doing my makeup today, and I really want to see how good you are, how bad you are, correction, on doing makeup. I'm gonna test you first, and then I'm gonna see if you can name them, but I'm gonna give you easy ones, okay? Are you ready? Close your eyes. Okay. What is this?
Lipstick.
Mira, si sabes. Oh, it's because you do your makeup, you know? Okay. This one.
Concealer.
You were reading.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't.
You said this one.
Isn't it for the thingies?
What
the eyeshadow?
Nice. Are you ready?
No.
I know my face looks
I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Keep this in mind.
It's gonna be so funny.
I don't know what half of these things are, so I'm just kind of winging it.
I mean, you named some. So.
A ver cómo me sale.
So we're gonna take off my makeup right now. Okay, so first you're gonna start off with this.
What is that?
Eyebrows. And then...
Do I have to do it good?
It's however you know how to do it. Why are you doing that? Do you not know how to outline?
No, this is hard.
Pero para las trocas. It feels funny. Guys, look it. So remember when I outlined yours so I can like look pretty and do not put it on the hairs? You should do it however you do it.
I don't know how to do it.
Baby, you know you can't fail. You can't fail what's called. You can't quit. Are you done with my boss? I'm not.
Was I supposed to blend it with your skin?
What?
This?
Yeah.
I know
Blend it with my skin. Hey, stupid.
There goes down here too, doesn't it? Like right here?
No! Is that because you saw it on yours?
Yeah.
No, the left. The leftover like just falls right there. I can't with you. You're gonna have to erase all that, so you're wasting eyeshadow.
No, I'm gonna keep it.
Oh, okay.
I like how it looks.
You're gonna put foundation over it?
Oh. Yeah. No, I'm gonna put it right here. Not right here.
Okay.
Don't look here.
I'm not looking. Do you look pretty?
Yeah, you look beautiful. What I use now? You can't look at your makeup.
Okay, I'm not gonna look.
You just need to tell me what I need.
I kinda don't trust you. Like my eyelashes. What if I don't have eyelashes? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, I'm scared.
Wait, how does this work? Yeah, it's supposed to.
Wait, but sometimes it gets your skin.
Oh.
I'm impressed. Did you put a smiley face on me? Do I look beautiful?
I could see you looking.
I look. I have a lot of embarrassing, but I don't remember them. My whole life is embarrassing. Everything I do is embarrassing.
I made Nicole fart on the trampoline.
Oh my god, but that wasn't embarrassing. Because I guess it was like the second day we got a
what else?
trampoline.
Yeah, they got a trampoline.
And then we were all jumping, and me trying to be cute with Jonathan jumping, and him over there dropping me and everything.
Because I dropped her, and I was jumping like really
you know,
hard.
like the crack the egg, or what is it called?
Yeah, but she wasn't.
I was doing
she
that.
wasn't an egg.
I was the egg. It was a little too low, but okay. No, not like that. Just make a line.
Can I bring this up higher?
I kind of hate you right now. Did you put some right here?
No.
You planted right there.
No, you can't ruin that beautiful masterpiece I made.
I feel ugly. Not to be rude. Okay.
You look good. Like that?
Be careful with my lashes. You just did that, remember? Okay. Now with this, you're going to do my cheeks. Contour them cheeks, make them skinny. You're gonna use either this one or this one. Which one?
This one, because it looks like caca. Like it looks like poop.
Oh, you want me to look? So right here, look. ¿Me bigote?
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
No.
It looks good. It looks good. Stop laughing.
It is good?
Yeah.
Okay. That highlight is almost running out and it's my favorite.
You still have a lot.
It's running out. It should be full. You wouldn't know. That's not where highlight goes.
Yeah, it does. Oh, right here.
You always correct me, remember? Last time you were like, it's too low, it's too high. Del tú, mero mero.
Let me see, turn. Other way. Okay, sis, okay. Looking good, looking good.
This lipstick will forever make any look beautiful.
Okay, we'll use this one because...
Because what? Because I need it?
No.
I'm anxious.
So, she does look very beautiful, like I said. Are you ready to look?
Yeah. Can I look?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Go. Go.
You did my life!
I think she looks very good. For my first time doing makeup, it was not that bad.
Boy, it was bad.
Let me take a picture
Oh my god!
so you guys can get a better look at it. Look over here. Side. She looks good. I did a good job.
I'm shocked. I thought you were gonna do a better job. Just kidding. You did a beautiful, amazing job. I'm gonna go to a party like this tomorrow.
Okay.
Would you want to be around me?
Yeah, you're my girlfriend. I'm not embarrassed about you.
I'm embarrassed about myself. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Enjoyed watching Jonathan mess up my look, my face.
What you guys think? I did try on it. I mean, I honestly don't think I did that bad. Maybe just for the eyebrow.
Rate me down below, 1 through 10. Don't be afraid to rate me a 1 because I know, guys, I know.
She's not a 1, she's like a 10. She's
Don't
beautiful.
come to him. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will be back with more videos.
Peace.